skin. Me no business what none of officer for me. Respect you to my strong black melanin. Me proud of the way me look. Me love the skin me in. Ban racism, demolish colorism.
Black is beautiful, they never told us. That black is beautiful, they never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful.
Understand for me? If yet with a kill, sir, me know about another necessary for me. Only not to have me back. Me get here from my own race. Yes, that's a fact. And the same black people then come tell me, say me too black. And you see me ever bleach my skin? And them said one, corona chats. But me no business when no one have to say. When I can't go down chats. Me love my pretty black skin. Respect to the strong black melanin. As a matter of fact, me a move from around here, so I'll be a hold on around here, so.